Hello everyone, welcome to Neurosapiens.
In today's tutorial, we'll learn how to build a stacked bar graph in Tableau Desktop Public Edition. The dataset that we'll be using today is going to be the Complete Pokémon dataset. And so what I'm going to do first is to drag and drop the Complete Pokémon dataset into my Tableau Public Desktop Edition session. Once the dataset has loaded as shown on screen here, I'm going to head over to Sheet 1. And in Sheet 1, the first field which I'll be using is classification. I'm going to drag that here into columns. And this is going to show me all the different classification types for each Pokemon within this data set. And then I'm going to drag and drop a measure. So to create a stacked bar graph, we need at least one dimension and one measure field. And the measure field I'm going to use here is against bug. So I'm going to drag and drop against bug here 2 rows. And the aggregation I'll use is going to be sum. And this is now showing me for each classification, the measure for against bug across all the classifications summed together as a bar graph. And so to make this a stacked bar chart, I'm going to drag the name for each Pokemon name into the mark section here for that square here called color. I'm going to drag and release. I'm just going to click on add all members. And this is going to show me all the Pokemon types within each classification. So as we can see here, some classification types, like Armor Pokemon, has 2 Pokemons within this classification. So one is Tyranitar and the other is Donphan. And we can see other classifications here, like Bagworm Pokemon has 4 different Pokemon types. So you have Wormdam Pokemon, Pineco, Forrestress, and Burmy Pokemons within this classification type. And on the right-hand side is the legend for all the different Pokemons across the different classification types within this data set. And so there you have it. This is how you can create a stacked bar graph in Tableau Desktop Public Edition.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning and I'll see you in the next tutorial.